Every web developer that do need to save and store all the data inside specific database. Which one do you prefer to store your database inside a separate? Which one is up to you to select, and this one is up to you. So at this time, I'm gonna to link Postgres SQL database with Django project. Take a look for this Postgres SQL. At this, we have got database, and at the other hand, we have got this user. This database with this user have a separate linking to be saved. At the first, we should make a user, and then we can make a database. This user can control this database every time. So we have got this Postgres and this Postgres SQL. Inside this, we have got this database, and we have got this login. Inside at the login section, we should make a user for our database. This user, we can create login role or group. Should select a name for our database, for our user. For example, I'm going to select this one. I'm going to give a name for my user by the name of Django file. Django file or Django data. This Django data. So take a look at this section. You can write on the comment section. You can give comments for our user. And at this section, you've got this definition. This definition, just you can select and give a password for our user. We're gonna select this password. So account no expiry because we do not have any account at this moment. So we can select this privilege. For this privilege, we can active and inactive these commands. Take a look. I've got this can login. If we do active this command through the user, we can log in inside the database and inside the browser, and we can control and manage all the data through this login commands. This one is super user. If we active this super user through this command, we can manage all the server at the same time to control and save, delete, and at that time at that time we can control all the data to be this super user active. This means if this commands be active, we can manage and delete, and other user cannot log in inside the site administration page. So you can create roles. These create roles is available inside the Neon or other database we can use from that database. This create role, when we are using from Neon server, we can create a role. To this role, this make available all the data and manage all the data at the same time to be accessible for all the browser. So Create database. This database, you can see we have got these commands. Through these commands, we can create database inside the site administration to be manageable by a user, and browser can see all the database data, just see and do not delete or manage that data inside the browser. So you can see I've got the inherit right from the parents role, and we've got this can initiate streaming application and backup, so for backup of data. So at this time we can active this command to be login this user. So I've got this membership, we can add other user. So we've got these parameters and security, we can add new security, new password for our user. And we've got this SQLite. You can see got this SQL, so we do need to make a database. So save this one. If you are gonna to disactive this command, just do disactive this one. Save this one. So we've got this Django data. This username. I'm gonna to make a database for this user. Click make a database. So give a name for the database. One of make a database by the name of PG or Postgres Django data or PG data. Okay, so this one OID and this owner. We're going to select Postgres as owner of database. We just select this Postgres. So if we're going to link this database with our user, because we have got a user by the name of Django data, we can select this one and save. So this database with this user can be saved inside the Postgres. So now we should make a Django project. Open the CMD terminal. Can write down CMD. So this CMD should be inside the user. Can write down CMD. This get. So we're gonna make a Django project by the name of write down Django admin start project by the name of post Django, Postgres Django, post Django underscore, give a name, post Django. Okay. So we can jump to this one, can write down post underscore Django. So open this one, this project by the editor, put this code and add this, hit enter. This project will be opened by this VS Code editor. You can see inside the setting.py. You should jump this file. So scroll down, take a look for this one. We want to make a database. This database for SQLite database, and we're going to make a new database. So for this one, you can write down Postgres. Okay, DB backend Postgres. So delete this one. Delete this one, duplicate this one for 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So the first one, the name, and for user, so for password, okay, so for host, and the last one for port, okay, this one. So name of our database by the name of PG data, Postgres Django data. So come down, PG data, okay, the user by the name of, so we've got user by the name of Django data, okay, Django data, Django data, okay, so the password, this one. So for host, we can write down localhost, and for port, we can write down this port. So we should make a migration to link this project with Postgres database. So we can write down python manage.py, make migrations, hit enter. So you can see the code cannot import check out the expression should be used backend SQLite data. So take a look. Postgres SQL should write on SQL, hit enter. Okay, can write on python manage.py, migrate to execute this connection, okay, migrate from it 400. So take a look for this one. I've got this error, role Django data is not permit it to log in. So we should come back to this Django. So jump to this properties. So the privilege, we should active this login. Save this one. So can come back and execute this connection. Okay. Then run python manage.py, run server. Okay, I've got this localhost. So should make a create user. So we can break python manage.py, create super user, select your username, basic.com, email, gmail.com, so password, the password, okay, now on server, manage.py, run server, okay, open this one. I've got the basic Django. So we should jump to the admin. What is username is equal to cam. Select password. Add this password. So we've got the user. So this is the time to make a database Django project. So we should make a Django project. But first we should make a model class. So Control C, Python, manage.py, start app, write the name of app. Okay, should add this app, sorry, this project. So okay, we've got this application. So the models can come down, can write a class by the name of Django model or Django file. Okay, so models can inherit by this model m dot model. Okay, we can pass by this model. So the first class attribute we have got by the name of name equal to models dot char field. So we can add this max length. Write down max length is equal to 200 vector. The second one we've got this with the name of this model class name address. Models got this max length equal to this character. So we've got this id equal to models dot integer field. So default can write down 0. So I've got this model class Django file name, address, id, and this database should be by the name of this last one. This class attribute by the name of contact. Okay, got these models. So for contact, so we can add it to belt. So can down button define. Got this scroll and scroll. Got this self parameter. We can return by the self is name. Okay, we should execute the migration with model class. The first we should make URLs. Of course, this urls.py. So should jump to inside this URL. Then duplicate this one. Second one by the name of app. So can include this one. You can write down include this application by the name of app dot okay, can include. Okay, so can write that, copy this one, come to this Python URL patterns. We have got this path. So we have got this first one. If it is empty string, I don't know, we use so we've got the object by the name of the file. Okay, so this one by the name of this data file, name. So we'll talk about it. And right then from current directory we can import views. Okay, so the views.py we can define this object by the name of data. Okay, so we pass it by the name of I've got this cost parameter, so can return or it is random function. It is request parameter, so can return to HTML template. So this time we're going to make a template by the name of home.html. Okay, home HTML. Okay, so should make a template. This should make a directory by the name of template. By this template, I'm gonna make a HTML template. Okay, so we've got this basic, change to HTML format, add the exclusion sign. So we're going to make a block content. Okay, home.html, got h1, right on, welcome to, okay, so it's awesome. Got this title, can select button block title. Okay, that is block title. Gonna to repeat this title inside all the HTML template. We can write down the homepage. Okay, so we've got this homepage, we've got this views.py, we've got this file data, got this object, and inside the data file data, we can write down file data. Okay, this file data, so should register this application inside the installed app. Got this application by the name of app. So now we can make a migration. Python manager.py, make migration. Okay, hit enter. Look, Python models line 5 in Django file ID integer field. Default should be 0. Okay, this ID would be these models. Okay, I've got this. Add this integer. So like that. Python manage.py, make migrations. App URLs. Setting URLs. Okay. So can make a migration. The reason primary key true. App Django file models already can be used. The file name field also set primary key is true. Okay, should jump to this ID. Primary key should write down primary key, not integer. Write down primary. So take a look. We have created this model class by the name of Django file. We should execute this one and write down Python manage.py migrate to execute the items. Okay. Should jump to admin side, admin file, and write down from dot models. We can import Django file. Okay, write down admin dot site dot register. Can add this Django file. Okay, then run server. Python manage.py run server. Okay, can refresh this site administration. Okay, I've got this database one class by the name of Django file. Now add this Django file by the name of Django review. Django stack. Okay, select this one. So can add Python group. Save this. I've got this Django stack. So if we come back to the PostgreSQL, so we can refresh the page. Click PostgG got okay or Postgre data. Click to this one. So I've got this schema. Click to this schema. Okay, scroll down. Okay, we have got this table and this views and this type. So click the Django migration, this Django session. Take a look. I've got this application by the name Django file. This Django file. I've got this database by the name Django file. So this database is empty. This moment I've got this ID. So I've got this database. This name is group. Can add group and add its ID. So I've got this database inside this Postgres SQL database. So we can come back to the project and we can make another class. I can select and make another class. This one for making connection between Django project and Python with Postgres SQL database. Thanks for watching.